What's up guys, Logan here from Royal Pool's G2 Landscaping. Now if there's one thing that pool owners and pool service companies equally cannot stand, it would have to be leaks. I'm here today at a beautiful vinyl liner pool in St. John, Indiana. Now vinyl liner pools are both affordable and aesthetically versatile, but they are, however, susceptible to leaks. And in this video, we're going to go over the 5 most common causes for vinyl liner pool leaks and why they happen. After all, it's good to have an idea as to the cause of your leak before trying to fix it or hiring a pool service company to fix it for you. So, what causes vinyl liner pools to leak? Let's dive in. Cause number 1, cuts, tears, or punctures in the liner. Holes in your liners can come from a number of places, including animal nail punctures, improper use of pool tools, sharp debris or objects entering the pool, and even human nails from time to time. As a good rule of thumb, we recommend keeping all sharp objects and animals out of your vinyl liner pool at all times. Cause number 2, improperly installed return fittings, skimmers, main drains, etc. Poor cutting out and installation of return fittings, skimmer faceplates, and main drains can quickly lead to water loss if left untreated. Now, if you're installing a new vinyl liner pool or replacing an old vinyl liner, be sure to hire a reputable pool service and installation company that specializes in vinyl liner installation. Cause number 3, improperly installed lights. This is a big one, folks. Similar to equipment fittings, improperly installed lights can lead to water loss over time. If the liner was not cut properly, or if the housing for the light is too big, that can lead to potentially significant water loss.
Cause number 4, water absorbed into or trapped under liner.
Your vinyl liner may begin to absorb water if the pool water chemistry is left unbalanced over time. Additionally, leaking water or high groundwater can get trapped behind the liner, causing it to wrinkle over time. Cause number 5, manufacturer's defects, including holes or tears in the seams, tears or holes in the bead, etc. Now, although manufacturing processes feature multiple inspections and quality assurances, mistakes and oversights can always happen. Tears or holes can happen in the seams if the liner is stretched too far. The bead at the top of the liner can also be accidentally torn during the manufacturing or installation process. Be sure to hire a professional pool service company that gets their liners from a reputable vinyl liner pool manufacturer with strong manufacturer's warranties. There you have it, guys. No product is perfect, and this goes for in-ground pools as well. But there are ways that you can prevent your vinyl liner pool from leaking. Hire a trusted pool installation company that sources durable, reputable vinyl liners, maintain balanced water chemistry, and keep all sharp objects and animals out of your pool at all times. These are simple and easy solutions to a potentially major problem. For more information on vinyl liners, check out the videos and articles in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.